stood in the lounge at the minute, which is where we have a lot of our weddings and ceremonies. If it's raining outside, then they can come in here and get married. And it used to be, this building used to be owned by the Warncliffe family. And there's been quite a few significant members that have owned this property in the past. There was once a Prime Minister that lived here a few hundred years ago, and there was a MP of the Ottoman Empire who lived here, and his wife was Mary Montagu, and she was quite famous for travelling to Turkey, seeing the inoculations and vaccines that people were doing against smallpox, and then she brought it back into this country. So there's a button picture of her in the reception, and she's probably one of the most famous people. There's some books that were published about her life called the Montagu Letters, and it's all full of scandal. I've been waiting for it to be turned into a full film. So there's a lot of people throughout history who have passed through these walls, and it kind of shows you the wealth that's come from here. Is all from, you know, cotton and coal, because there was quite a lot of coal mines down here. And the wealth that they must have had to just have this as their home is really impressive. But it's one of the least known about halls like this. Everyone knows about Chatsworth and Wentworth Woodhouse, and there's people who live 8 miles away and they've got no idea that this place exists. And they don't even know it's free parking, which is pretty remarkable in 2025, I think.